Hey everybody, this is Ralph. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk about the Home Business Academy and the story about how the Academy got started. Share a little bit with you about our founders and some of our team members with the Home Business Academy. Because I've been with this group now for going on 2 years, and this is unlike any other business community that I have found. This community is actually more like a family than it is a business organization. But I mean, you can make money with this business organization just like any other. But I mean, this one is founded from a heart-centered position where we really want to help other people succeed and be the difference in the online world. Now, how we got our start is this. Back in 2016, two of our founders, Paul Hutching and Mike Hobbs, they were talking. They were both involved in the same affiliate marketing business with the same affiliate marketing company, and that company was beginning to change things around to where they knew the writing was on the wall. The business was going down, and the owners were making all the wrong decisions, and they knew this because they had both been in many other affiliate marketing and network marketing companies in the past, and they had seen similar things going down. Both Mike, both Paul, had been in businesses that had thrived for a little while, maybe a year or two or three, and then because of some bonehead decision made by the management, some short-sighted decisions, some dishonesty, shall we say, on the part of upper management, all of these companies folded. And over the period of several years, both Mike and Paul had been in company after company after company that had started, done pretty well, and then folded for one reason or another. And by the time 2016 came around, both Mike and Paul were sick and tired of being involved in company after company after company after company that had just gone down the drains. And they got together one day and they were talking. They were wondering, do we just go out and get a regular job? Do we go out and find another affiliate marketing or network marketing business that we can thrive in for maybe a year or two or three, and then be faced with starting all over again from scratch after that company fails? Or do we just form our own business, found our own company, built on principles that we hold dear, an honest company meant to be the change in the online business community? And what they did, this is pretty telling. They tell this story in some of our mastermind groups. But they said what they did is they sat down and they made a list of all the things that they loved in online business communities and all of the things that they hated. And then what they did, they brainstormed. They decided that they were going to make a company that incorporated everything that they loved about online business, affiliate marketing, and network marketing, and leave out all of the things that they hated, like corrupt management, like things changing so drastically that affiliates got hurt, like just things being changed for no logical reason whatsoever. And they decided to create a company that would incorporate all the positive sides of online business and leave out all the negative stuff. And what they did is they founded the Home Business Academy back in 2016. They decided they were going to make it pay 80% recurring commissions. And now some people may wonder, how can you form a company that pays 80% recurring commissions? And Paul actually tells the story that they ran this idea past a lawyer, wanting the lawyer's input, making sure that they were setting everything up honestly, ethically, and legally. And the lawyer kind of told them, you need to pay a little bit less than 80% commissions because you guys have got to earn money too. And 80% commissions, that's enough to pay the bills, but barely enough. But Mike and Paul, they stuck to their guns. They said, we're going to do 80% recurring commissions. And this is neat because you know how they make money in their own business. They make it the same way I do, the same way you might if you decide to join the company. They earn money in their own business by being affiliates of their own business. The 20% that the company earns goes to paying the bills and other business expenses. How Mike and Paul make their personal money is the same way that we do as affiliates. They are affiliates themselves, and they earn money through the same compensation plan that the rest of us affiliates make our money by too. So, I mean, they play the game by the exact same rules that we do, only they do a lot more work because they've got to manage the company. They've got to run all the masterminds. They are our top trainers. So they do a lot more work, but they get paid about this, well, pretty much the same way we do by being affiliates. Now, they're really good affiliates. So they've built up a lot of customers. They brought in a lot of people into the program. And so, yeah, they're making good money with it. Paul is a debt-free millionaire. Mike is a seven-figure earner, and both were seven-figure earners in other companies too. But when they founded the Home Business Academy back in 2016, they said, okay, we're going to pay our affiliates top dollar, 80% recurring commissions, and then we're going to make our personal money by being affiliates ourselves. So really, we're all pretty much in the same boat, and that's the way they run this. They run this like family. One of our other top trainers, Amy Starr Allen, she's a lady that has probably close to, if not a little bit over 20 years experience in affiliate marketing and network marketing, doing online business. And she is really good. And she came into the company shortly after, I don't know how long after, but shortly after Mike and Paul founded it. And she came into this company and she's been staying with us ever since. She loves it because this is a different kind of a business community. This is a business community in which we are motivated to win our own personal freedom through online marketing, through home business, and help other people to win their freedom. We're talking about financial freedom and time freedom, because there are a lot of online business models that you can make money with that can give you financial freedom, but not necessarily time freedom. Because a lot of these online business models, they require you to work every day to get your commissions, every day to get paid. Like if you're a content creator on Facebook or on X, you can be making money if you're monetized and you're making content, good content. You're getting that content out there every day. But if you decide to take a week off, what happens? Your finances take a hit. You know, your paycheck is contingent on you working and grinding and putting out content day after day after day after day, 52 weeks a year. And when you are working for an affiliate marketing company like the Home Business Academy that pays recurring commissions, you're in a whole new ballpark. Because when you're earning recurring commissions, you bring in, say, for example, one customer. You don't earn commissions just that first month. You know, you don't earn just one-time commissions. You get your commissions the first month that your customer comes in, and then if your customer is happy with the program and happy with the tools, And they keep paying month after month after month to remain members of the program and maintain access to their tools and training. Guess what? When you're getting paid recurring commissions, you get paid that first month, and then month after month after month after month, that each of your customers remains a satisfied paying customer with the program. So this puts you in a whole new ballpark. You're not just grinding 7 days a week, week after week after week, year after year, to be earning commissions on a daily basis. You will be grinding in the beginning to build up your customer base. But then once you got your customer base built up to where you would like it, you will be earning recurring commissions based on the work you did in the past. So you can actually work yourself into a position where you can just slow down, maybe stop recruiting altogether, and just enjoy the recurring commissions as they keep coming in. Residual income coming in over time. And that's the beauty of affiliate marketing paying recurring commissions, especially something like 80% recurring commissions. It allows you to attain not just your financial freedom, but time freedom. Because eventually you will get to the point, if you work it right, if you keep on going and you keep working it, then you will get to the point to where you can relax, enjoy some time freedom while your recurring commissions keep coming in based on the work that you did in the past. And yes, it is work in the beginning. I'm still working to build mine up. But Paul, he's got his time freedom now, pretty much. He does what he likes. He's one of our top trainers. One of our top guys in our masterminds and mentoring sessions, but he enjoys doing that. He says he's semi-retired, but I mean, he just enjoys helping people find their own sense of freedom. And in this academy, we refer to ourselves as Freedom Crusaders, because not only are we interested in attaining our own personal freedom, but we're also concerned about helping others to attain their time freedom and personal freedom as well. So, I mean, that's our wider mission, is that we're here to make money for ourselves, obviously, but also we're here to help support one another, to help other people attain their freedom along with ourselves. And one other thing that really sets this program apart is that when Mike and Paul decided that they were going to create their own company and make it long-term, not just a 2-year company or a 3-year company, a company that would be here today and gone tomorrow, but a long-term company, they wanted to also make a difference in the wider world. So they set it up to where a portion of all sales would go to a charity called Feed My Starving Children. And each time you make a sale in the Home Business Academy, a portion of that sale goes to provide a day of meals to some child in need. And the way that we rank advance in this company, it is truly something else. Every company has like diamond directors and double diamond directors and things like that. Well, yeah, we have our ranks too, but they're called Oak Benefactors, and they are based upon the number of meals you have provided through your sales to children in need. So it's not, the rank isn't based on just the number of sales that you make. Yes, that has a bearing on it, but we like to focus on the number of meals made possible by those sales to children around the world. So yeah, you rank advance based on how many days of meals your sales have provided to other kids in need. So this is really the focus, the emphasis of this program is truly something else. And yeah, we pay 80% recurring commissions. We've been around since 2016. We are definitely long term, and we are living up to our founder's original vision of being the change that you want to see, both in the online world and in the world around you. So if you'd like to take a closer look at our community, actually see some of our community members, besides just me, I've got a link down in the program description. It's called, it will take you to our community heart video via a lead capture page. But yeah, just look for the link down below. It'll be ralphshomebiz.com/meet our team. And that'll take you to a lead capture page. Give me your name, give me your email address, give me your phone number, and I won't spam you. I won't spend endless time, calling you. It'll just be to make sure you get the information that you requested. And then that will take you to an informational video that shows you what our community looks like and gives you a short video showing our community members in action, talking about the Home Business Academy and why they feel that our academy really is something different. So yeah, look for that link down below. And if you decide you would like to join our business, great. We would love to have you. But this is really a different kind of business community, one that is focused not just on making money, but making a difference and helping other people to change and transform their lives. So this truly is a community with heart and soul and purpose. Thank you for dropping by. Again, look for those links, program description down below. Catch you later in future updates. Have a good one. Bye-bye. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.